Hello everyone. You all are in the course of nature certification in naturopathy. I am Dr. Bela Patel and today I will teach you about the naturopathy. First of all, definition of naturopathy. What is naturopathy? The term naturopathy is derived partially from a Latin word natura and partially from a Greek word pathos, suggesting natural healing for all suffering. The treatment of any health disorder in this system will be with or through nature. No drug is used, being unnatural and man-made. According to the naturopathy, when we use any drug for healing, we actually take our body systems by surprise, as the body cannot assimilate it naturally. On the contrary, in most cases, drugs suppress the body's immune system and produces toxic side effects. At times, the side effects are more dangerous than the original disease for which the medicine was prescribed. Naturopathic practices, on the other hand, is based on a faith in body's ability to heal itself by the nature. Internal healing process of the body. The Western naturopathists claim that Hippocrates, the ancient Greek father of medicine, is the first advocate of a naturopathic approach to healing. But Indian naturopathy has derived its strength from India's own medical treatise, Ayurveda, which is more than 5,000 years old. It believes that the life is an integral part of an all-pervasive nature, ruled by 5 great elements, Panch Mahabhuta, that is the earth, water, fire, air and space. We will learn more about that afterwards. And human life is a product of this great cosmic design. The key to its survival, therefore, has to be sought in nature itself. Naturopathy is holistic in its approach, taking the human body as a whole. It treats the root cause of a disease and not the symptoms. Diagnosis and treatments use natural methods that promote the body's own ability to heal. Naturopaths focus on treatments based on nature forces, completely avoiding the use of surgery and drugs. Naturopaths aim to prevent illness through the stress reduction and bringing changes to diet and lifestyle, rejecting the methods of symptomatic treatments of other systems. Advantages of naturopathy. No side effects. A naturopathic treatment plan uses therapies that are gentle, non-invasive, effective and do not have adverse side effects. A conscious effort is made to use methods that do not suppress symptoms. Cost effective. It is a misnomer that naturopathy is expensive. You need to understand that the principle behind it if you want to know why it is more cost effective in the long run. The disease burden of non-communicable disease is steadily on the rise. They have overtaken communicable disease to become the leading cause of death in country. There are diseases that can be avoided with non-invasive treatments, lifestyle and dietary changes. However, public remains largely unaware of the long-term benefits of preventive care. It plays a key role in culling and incidence of lifestyle disease, saving the hassle of expensive hospitals visits down the line. In that sense, naturopathy is a lot less expensive than conventional medicine. Disease need not to be diagnosed. Disease detection is not a primary focus in naturopathy. Naturopathic physicians identify specific weakness of dysfunctions in their patients and tailor treatment based upon the patient's individual presentations. It is the patient that is in need of treatment, not the disease state or symptoms. Naturopathic physicians are interested in finding and treating characteristic symptoms that define the patient rather than the common symptoms that define the disease. William Osler, MD, once said, "It is the more important to know what sort of patient has a disease rather than what sort of disease a patient has. Exactly before treatment is given preventive effects. Disease not to be diagnosed. Preventive effects. It is far easier and cheaper to prevent a disease than to treat a disease. Naturopathic physicians evaluate both subjective and objective information necessary to uncover potential susceptibilities to future disease states in their patients. They can discuss specific lifestyle strategies or nutritional supplementation as a mean for disease prevention. The most effective way to combat disease is to prevent it from developing in first place, and that is one of the central aims to naturopathic medicine. Disease prevention is at the forefront of the field, and proper nutrition is simply one of the many ways to gain a healthy body and a healthy immune system. Cure the person as a whole. The Latin root of doctor is docere, which means to teach. The primary role of naturopathic physicians is educating, empowering, and motivating patients to assume more personal responsibility for their health by adopting a healthy attitude, lifestyle, and a diet. Thomas Edison once said, "The doctor of the future will give no medicine, but will entrust patients in the maintenance of the human frame, in diet and in the prevention of disease." इसका मतलब है कि आप जो भी खाते हो वही आपका नेचर है. It is more effective to teach than treat patients. Fundamental principles of naturopathy. The primary cause of disease is violation of nature's law, and this leads to abnormal composition of blood and lymph, lowered vitality, accumulation of morbid matter in the body. Due to unnatural living and thinking over a prolonged disease period, the blood and lymph systems function alerts in terms of proper supply and elimination. This leads to abnormal composition of these components. When there is a faulty functioning of blood and lymph again for a prolonged period, the vitality or the life forces of an individual is lowered considerably. When there is a faulty function of the blood and lymph, which results in lowering the vitality, naturally lead to accumulation of waste, unwanted morbid matters in the body. When this stage is not probably tackled, result in some disease symptoms or conditions. This stage also favors the growth of multiplication of disease producing agents like germ, bacteria, virus, etc. The germs are secondary cause of disease. The germs or bacteria are the secondary cause of the disease as per naturopathy. As stated, when there is a stage of accumulation of morbid matter, there is a great amount of fermentation takes place in the body. This facilitates the growth of multiplication of disease producing agents. In case the system is clean and without such fermenting material, the disease producing agents won't find the environment for their proper growth and they will be totally inactive. Unity of disease and unity of cure. The naturopathy doesn't believe in specific cause of disease and specific treatment. There is only one cause of disease and there is only one treatment for all disease. The naturopathy principle believes in the fact that the disease originates from the violation of nature's law, and when this is corrected or when the person returns to nature, the health repairs. As discussed earlier, the disease arises when the body is accumulated with morbid matter, and when this condition is reversed, the health sprouts up automatically. The modern system of medicine believes in specific cause of specific disease and the treatment is being administered accordingly. But the naturopathy, there is only one cause for all the disease, that is accumulation of morbid matter, and there is only one cure for all the disease, that is elimination of morbid matter. Just like fever. Fever is a friend. For the matter of all acute disease are the indications of some disturbance in the body. Acute disease are the efforts of the body to fight the affecting factors. Naturopathy considers that many of acute symptoms or disease are not the actual disease symptoms. They are the alarming signals to the person that the body is facing some problem and that needs correction. For example, fever. Fever in the body, temperature rises above normal due to the process of fermentation in the body, which arises out of the accumulation of morbid matter. When there is a fever, generally people would like to consume some anti-fever or antibiotic and bring down the temperature down. Of course, this will give the temporary relief in fever, but this doesn't contract that the actual cause of fever. Actual cause of fever is accumulation of morbid matter and the need to be eliminated. By suppressing the fever with medicine, the internal fermentation process may take different shape and lead to some other problem, which may go unnoticed. This may create a grave danger to the body in later days. Hence, according to the naturopathy, fever should not be suppressed and instead efforts should be made to find out why there is a fever. Since fever is giving a warning to the body that there is a danger ahead, it is considered as a friend. Your food shall be your medicine and medicine shall be your food. This means naturopathy is purely a drugless system of medicine. Consuming medicine according to naturopathy is a process of poisoning the body. Whatever the food we take, that must act as a medicine to our body. It means that the food should give proper nutrition and energy to the body, and at the same time it has to assist in eliminating the unwanted material from the body. That's why only such foods are recommended in naturopathy, which has these two basic properties. The selection of food varies from disease to disease. It is the intelligence of the physician who treats that what food has to be prescribed to a particular patient and particular disease condition. Chronic disease and the outcome of the suppression of acute system. The body's efforts to naturally eliminate the unwanted waste material come to stand still, and hence the process of elimination takes diverse paths and emerges as a chronic condition over a period of time. The process of becoming a disease condition as chronic may take long period, but it is also difficult to treat such disease. The process of becoming a chronic disease may go unnoticed, or it may depict some minimum or minor symptoms which the person is tend to ignore. Body has got a remarkable recuperative power. Its scope is given to the body can gain its normalcy without any external aid. Our body can react well to altered state of normal functioning of the body. The body will put its best effort to get out the disease condition by fascinating natural process of elimination. During the process, it may depict some acute symptoms. This is a need to recognize these symptoms as body's healing effort and to act accordingly. We must give ample scope of the body and its way to recovery. When we talk of defense mechanism of the body in terms of modern medicine, this also reflects the same. The only difference between modern medicine